Shalom everyone and welcome back. This is Israeli EDC, where we cover mostly flashlights and Swiss Army knives. And today we're unboxing the Olight iMini, the tiny magnetic and instant light. This is a very small keychain flashlight. It lives on your keychain and it's there when you just need a tiny bit of light just to see that keyhole or just to pick up something you dropped under your car or something like that. So this is what this is for. Let's quickly go over the specifications before we dive into the box itself. So as you can see on the screen now, and you can pause if you feel the need to, it puts out 10 lumens for about 30 minutes or so, has a throw of about 10 meters, 27 candela, which is the spread of the light beam. It's shock resistant up to 1.5 meters, and it is IPX6 water resistant. You can see the dimensions on the screen right there. You can pause if you need to. Let's dive into the box and see what you are getting. So first of all, it's a very standard Olight box, you know. They package their flashlights in a really nice way. You know, the package is nice. You can see right here the 2-year warranty, the quality assurance from Olight. It has a pull tab right here. I never get those right. I always mess it up and I end up using a knife to get in. So let's see if I can, yeah, it doesn't, it never works for me. So we're just gonna use this CJRB RIA to unbox this. So we're gonna go in from here. There we go. Put the knife away and let's dive into the box and see what we are getting. So there is the light itself. Let's see what's underneath. You have the batteries right here. You can see the batteries right there. You have the contents. You can pause the screen right here if you need to go over that. And the manual. But we're gonna go over how it functions, so you're not gonna need any of that. First of all, let's take out the light itself. Oh, that's tiny. Listen guys, that's a small flashlight. I mean, just look how tiny it is. It's obscure how small this thing is. What can I put it next to? Let's put it next to this S1R baton so you can kind of see the dimensions. This is the Olight i3T right there. Oh, it's magnetized. So because it's magnetized, it's gonna catch some things. any metal is gonna. Oh, look at that! Would you look at that? Picks up the i3T like it was nothing from the ring, nonetheless, like from the tiny split ring on the Olight iMini. That's interesting. Okay. Anyway, I think you got how small this is, right? Like, let's put it next to a pen, for example, just a normal sized pen, so you can get the reference. And next to my Casio Edifice, so you can just understand the size of this thing. It's like, it's less than half of my pinky. Literally less than half. That's funny. All right. Read me. Let's read the box. What does it say? Before first use, please detach the flashlight from the magnetic cap, screw off the battery housing, and then remove the insulating film. Screw off insulating film. We got it. So these are replacement batteries, I assume. So you get 3 spare batteries. That's nice, I guess. All right. So this is how you activate the light once you unscrew and take off the insulating film. This is how it activates. You see there's a magnet in here, right there. There's a magnet on the base of the flashlight, and basically that's it. That's what you do. So we're going to take this off. We're going to unscrew this, the top here, and we're going to reveal the insulating film that we're supposed to. There it is. So these are the batteries. That's interesting. Okay, so these are the batteries. And you see how I just magnetized to one another? And this is the insulating film that we're supposed to remove, which we just did. Now we're gonna take the batteries end and throw it back in there. And once we're done screwing the top back in, it's supposed to just come on automatically. The light should just turn on. Yep, there it is. So we're just going to continue screwing that in to make sure it's nice and secure. There we go. So this is the light. This is all you're getting. This is 10 lumens right there. See that? I'm gonna do this just to show you guys. So this is 10 lumens, and I'm gonna leave it, I was gonna say I'm gonna leave it on the table to show you how strong. Hey, don't go anywhere. Stay right there. Stay. It won't stay. Oh, there it is. So I was gonna say I'm gonna leave it out on the table and show you guys how strong the magnet is, but then they click together. So I'm just gonna go from the back. Ooh, you see that? Ooh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Come here. Oh, that was interesting. So as you can see, the magnet is very strong. It is. It really is. Let's see how easy it is. Okay, so it's very easy to remove, but it's not like you don't need much force to separate the two, but it won't come off by itself. Like imagine that swinging from your keychain and bumping into things. It's not going to come off by itself. You're going to apply force to remove it from the tail, like to separate the two. That's an interesting light. I'm gonna throw this on my keychain. I'm currently rocking the Rovivon A1, the Aurora A1, but I'm gonna switch it out to this iMini. Although it only puts out 10 lumens and the Rovivon Aurora A1 puts out 650 lumens, which is quite a difference right there as far as output goes. But this iMini is sexy. Let me tell you guys, this is tiny. Like honestly, you're not gonna find a smaller keychain flashlight this good looking and this easy to operate. I don't know of any. If you do, please let me know down in the comment section below, but I don't know of any keychain flashlights that are this small and this easy to operate and so slick and sexy. And it's red, I got a bunch of red things. I got my black and red dime right here, which goes nice together. Quit magnetizing to things. There you go. Let's just put it right there, separate the two. So I got my Gerber dime, which is red and black, and I got my Victorinox compact right here, which is also red. So, it's nice. It's a nice, and my watch, my smart watch is also, let's put it right here. It's not a smart watch, it's like a smart band from Xiaomi. I think it's the Mi Band 5 or whatever. And the band is also red and black, so, it's nice. And I got a red lighter right here. No, it's pink. It's not a red lighter. Anyways, it's a nice set. So tell me what you guys think about the Olight iMini. Listen, this thing is tiny and sexy. Let's have a closer look at this. Let's see the details. You see the knurling, the crisscross knurling over there? So these are nice, gives you a nice purchase. Let's see the back side, it just says Olight. So there's some billboarding on the flashlight, but it's not a lot. It's not gonna jump at you. This is a tiny flashlight. Let's take a look at the back. You gotta cover it for the exposure to work properly. So you see that hole right there? That hole in the middle of the cap of the flashlight? It's supposed to align with this. You see the inside? You see how it has a pin right there? So that small pin is aligned with the small hole right there, and that's how the light turns off. So I can put them pretty close together and it won't turn off. The minute I break the contact from the inside, you see that? So what operates the light is the disconnect of this pin inside. Let's use the iMini to show you the pin. So there it is. So this pin goes into this hole right here, and this is what turns off the flashlight. So as long as it's like this, it won't turn off. So you have to align it properly for the flashlight to turn off completely. This is a very nice design. This is an awesome design. So you get the spare batteries, and I also got a second one for my wife because we're both into flashlights. She has an amazing flashlight on her keychain, which I will do a video on, but I wanted to get her one of these as well. They're both red, so it's exactly the same one. So I'm gonna have one on my keychains and she's gonna have one on her keychains. But I'm gonna do an extra video on about the flashlight that she's currently rocking, which is this one right here. So I saved the package. It's already opened and it's already on her keychain. You see it's empty. So we're gonna have a video about the LED Lenser K6R safety flashlight in a future video. But until then, I want to thank you so much for your time. Honestly, I just want to thank you guys for being here. We are already past 600 subscribers, which is amazing to me. Thank you so much for watching the videos and subscribing to the channel and liking the videos and sharing the videos and commenting down below. I really enjoy reading all your comments down in the comment section below, and I do enjoy our conversations about gear and EDC in general. So thank you all for your time, and I'll see you all in the next video. And until then, adios.